In this video, I'm going to show how to draw a simple unicorn step by step procedure. Let's get into the video. I'm Reni and you're watching. To draw the unicorn, first you need to block the areas, right? For that, let's draw circles. Just go with the flow while drawing the circles. Don't restrict your hand. Maximum try to use your elbow instead of wrist. These two for the body and these two for the head. Once you're done with the circle, draw the rough shape of the unicorn based on the blocking we have done. In this step, don't worry about the perfect lines. Just draw the rough draft. Whatever the mistakes you do here, we can correct it in the next step. If you really want to learn art or drawing, don't hesitate to put your pen or pencil in the paper. Slowly build the shape like leg, tail, hair and eyes. We have rough lines now. Now we need to draw outlines. In this step, slowly draw the outlines based on the rough draft you have done. Outlining will be very easy because we have rough shape of the unicorn. Now it's a coloring part. And that's it. We have our cute little colorful unicorn is ready. Oh my god, now it's flying. I'll repeat the steps once again. First, draw 4 circles, 2 for body and 2 for head. This is blocking. In step 2, develop the rough line based on the blocking you have done. Third step is outline. Slowly draw the lines based on the lines we have done in the previous step. In this step, try to draw the perfect line. And next step is coloring. And once you're done with coloring, tada! Our cute little colorful unicorn is ready. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.